bench players nitong Tolusan, partner.
Ayan na si Las Piñas. We know we can shoot that. Bentes, era si Almiña again. Sky high. Binigay dito kay Matos. Matos, burning rubber, banging bodies. Grabe, partner. Talagang this is the finals, partner. And Sapal, ang inabot kay Owe Mendinilla. Matos, burning rubbers, attacks, behind the back dribble to Almiña. What a shot and what a pass. Yes, yan na si Fulle, binigay kay Matos against Paras. Crosses over. Matos. What a move, partner.
Tolusan ng bola, partner.
And right now, si Owe Mendinilla still struggling sa kanyang opensa. Yan na si Matos sa ilalim, naka-knockout play itong Bulusan. Ng Bulusan right now.
Buti na lang na ibuslol niya yun kontra doon sa dalawang tao na ng team Kasiguran. Another steal on the part of Team Bulusan.
Grabe, bilis, partner. Mark Lester Matos. Uwe, attacks. Shoots and stops. Bintesian Ete gives Bulusan. But there is Almiña for three. Kaboom! At the post, binigay dito. Si Owe pa rin, may pick binigay. Si Ete. Owe wants to attack. Swings the ball to Matos for three. Kaboom! Back-to-back three-pointers ang binitawan nitong Bulusan. Finance partner itong Hamila. And misses the three-point bomb. Ayan na ulit si Matos. He is in a rush. Matos, what a pass dito. What a shot, partner! Saving the day, Matos for three. Irons it. He gets his own board. Binigay dito kay Uwe against Paras. Lester Matos for three again. Kaboom! Bulusan scores in this possession.
Yes, partner. And for Team Kasiguran, no need to foul. Just stop.
Ayan na si Espanyo. Lester Matos for three. Kaboom! Yes, tama ka dyan. Ayan na si Habla attacking against Jebulawan. Missing that shot. Ayan na. Si Matos, binigay kay Almiña. And opening up. Johnson answers.
So nagtatao dito itong mga taga-Kasiguran at the early stage ng ating laro. Oh! Good stop on the part of
What a
Matos!
move! Wow! Mark Lester Matos. Lusan binigay kay Espanyo at the high post. Ayan na. Si Uwe with a backhand pero di nakita ni Espanyo. What a fake. Ayan na. Matos with a Pinoy step. Binigay dito kay Espanyo. What a pass, partner. With the help side defense.
Good help on the part of Hoffer.
Ayan na si Habla. What a block! What a chase down block dito ni Nelson Saldana. Ayan na si Matos. Burning rubbers against Joquino. And scores his bucket. Ayan na si Saldana. Natapik. Matos attacking the baseline. Kicks it out to Espanyo. His favorite shot. Kaboom!